Flaco heard something. Cheep, cheep, cheep. What is that? Flaco flies closer. Oh, it's a baby animal. But wait, spring is here. Baby animals are everywhere in the city. Can you help Flaco find them all? Let's go! Look, one baby cardinal chick. Let's count one. The baby chick is tiny and pink. It doesn't have feathers yet, but guess what? When it grows up, it will become a beautiful red cardinal. Can you say pink? Pink! Bye, little chick. Splash, splash, Flaco sees two baby ducklings. Let's count. 1, 2. The ducklings are yellow. One duckling jumps into the water. Splash! The other duckling slips a little. Oops! Silly duckling. Can you say yellow? Yellow! Near some flowers, Flaco finds 3 baby rabbits. Baby rabbits are called kits. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. One kit is hopping. One kit is smelling flowers. One kit is sleeping. Shh! Good night, little kit. The kits are brown. Can you say brown? Brown! Look over there! 4 baby deer. Baby deer are called fawns. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fawns have beautiful white spots. One little fawn tries to stand up. Wobble, wobble, plop. It falls right back down. Flaco giggles. You can do it. Can you say white? White. Honk, honk. A goose family walks by. Flaco sees 5 baby goslings. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fluffy gray goslings follow their mommy. Uh-oh, one gosling walks the wrong way. Come back, little gosling. Can you say gray? Gray! Wait, how many baby animals have we found so far? 1 chick, 2 ducklings, 3 kits, 4 fawns, 5 goslings. Wow! Let's find more! Up in a tree, Flaco finds 6 baby squirrels. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Their tails are still tiny. One squirrel peeks outside. Another squirrel hides. Peekaboo. The baby squirrels are orange. Can you say orange? Orange. Flaco flies to another tree. There are 7 baby robins in a nest. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Their mouths open wide. They are hungry. Look, Mama Robin is bringing lunch. Yum! The robin eggs are blue. Can you say blue? Blue! Near the water, something amazing happens. Crack, crack, crack. 8 baby turtles are hatching. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The tiny turtles walk toward the water. Go, little turtles. Can you say green? Green. In the park, Flaco sees 9 baby raccoons. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The raccoons follow their mommy. One curious baby looks inside a trash can. Flaco laughs. That's not lunch. Look at their black masks. Can you say black? Black. Look at this flower. Flaco finds 10 tiny ladybugs. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The ladybugs are bright red. Can you say red? Red. Wow! Today we met 1 pink baby cardinal chick, 2 yellow ducklings, 3 brown rabbit kits, 4 white spotted fawns, 5 gray goslings, 6 orange baby squirrels, 7 baby robins and blue robin eggs, 8 green baby turtles, 9 raccoons with black masks. From 1 to 10 we learned baby animal names. We learned colors and we explored the city with Flaco. Great job, little explorers. See you next time. Bye-bye.